All right, question 9. Match each equation with its solution set. Easiest way would be to work this one backwards, but I'm going to go ahead and convert all of these to radical form since that is the name of these lessons. So let's start with x raised to the 4 over 3 power equals 625. The top number is the exponent for the x, and the bottom number is the index. So it's the cube root of x to the 4th equals 625. So our first step, get rid of the cube root by cubing both sides. Definitely we'll need a calculator for this. So let's take 625 and raise it to the 3rd power. We end up getting a rather large number. 244 14 0625. 0625. On the left side, the cube root, this 3 and this 3 and the radical, they all cancel out. We're just left with x to the 4th. So our final step is we're going to take the 4th root of both sides, and I'm going to assume I take the 4th root of that rather large number. I'm going to get one of my answer choices. So in this calculator, you have to put the 4 first to tell the calculator to do a 4th root, and then math. And then I'm going to scroll down to number 5, and then it'll automatically do a 4th root. And it'll take the 4th root of this number. We get 125. Now remember, when you take the square root of both sides or a 4th root of both sides, you get a positive and negative answer here. Because think about it. Think about it real basically. 2 times 2 squared is 4, and negative 2 squared is also 4. So the negative number and the positive number, when you raise them to an even power, they end up giving you the same exact number. All right, let's do one more. Let's do x to the 4/5 power equals 81. This top number is the exponent with x, and the bottom number is the index. So this is the 5th root of x to the 4th. So we're going to first raise both sides to the 5th power. Again, we're going to get a very large number. So 81 raised to the 5th power, 34867. 34867. 84401. 84401. And then all that's left on the left side is x to the 4th. So our final step is we're going to take the 4th root of both sides. I'm assuming we're going to get 243 because it's, again, an even number root. So this means we should get a positive and negative answer. The calculator won't give you the positive and negative answer, but you just have to know, 243. So this is x to the 4/5 equals 81. And because I'm out of space, I am going to work the last one backwards. So let's replace this x in the x raised to the 5/3 power equals 32 with 8. So we're going to take 8 and we're going to raise it to the 5 divided by 3 power. And if it gives us 32, it does. We know where all of the correct answers are going to be. There's all the correct answers in much neater format.